Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name: red color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. And use red color T-H-R-W-3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5. Kids 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids again use blue color and draw 9 N-I-N-E 9. Kids 10. And again use blue color T-E-N 10. Kids 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use yellow color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use yellow color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and let's draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.